In this video tutorial, we're going to finalize our first draft page to upload to our site and show you how to upload your page to your website and check that it's there and it's working correctly. Before we go ahead and upload this page and style sheet to our website, I do want to change the title for our page, and you've noticed that this title field has just been sitting here in Dreamweaver ready for us to put something in. We could have done this earlier, but we've been so busy with other things. We'll do it now. So in the title area, you can just type in what title you want to appear on the page when people visit the site. So if someone bookmarks your page, this is what will appear in their bookmark. And so I'm just going to put in David's wonderful website. You can call yours whatever you want. Notice when you hit the tab key in Dreamweaver, and I usually use the tab key to execute what I call execute the command that I'm telling Dreamweaver to do something. Once you fill that in, hit the tab key or hit return, you'll notice if you look at the top of your HTML document over here that indeed it updated the title tags in there, the title of the page inside the title HTML tags. And just to verify that you can work both ways in Dreamweaver, you can hard code, as they say, but actually go in and manually change the code. You can do that from there, and notice if you simply type in different code or different text into HTML directly and click on this refresh button at the top of the Dreamweaver page, that it changes that field as well. So once we've got your site named, we're now ready to upload our site to the server to begin with. And to do that, we're going to double click and close our CSS styles panel and click on Files to open that. So we double click on the Files panel. Notice that it appears, and you should see all of the files here that we want to upload to the site. So to upload to our website, you're going to simply click on the top folder of your site and make sure that you single click on this to select it so that Dreamweaver knows that we want to upload the whole site. And then you're going to look for these two little plugs at the top of the file panel and click on those two plugs, that little icon that looks like two plugs. And then when you click on that, provided we set up our site correctly and the FTP settings are correct, it should connect to the server. And it may take a moment. Be patient and let it connect to the web server. You can see it's doing that right now. And once it's connected to the server, those plugs look like they're connected, and there's a green dot next to it to show that we're connected. And now we're ready to upload our site. So with the top folder selected, so the whole site is going to be uploaded, locate the blue up arrow in the file panel and click on that arrow, and you should get this message that says, are you sure you wish to put the entire site up? If you don't get this message, then it means you haven't got that folder selected. So click OK, and then it should connect to the server. If there are files that are unsaved, it will pop up a warning message that will say, do you wish to save these files before you upload? Simply say yes or yes to all if you know that you need to save all of the files. And then once Dreamweaver has uploaded all of the files, you'll get a file activity complete down the bottom of the Dreamweaver screen, and the progress bar will go away. And so you're now ready to go and check the website to see if everything is there. So go ahead and go to your browser and launch your browser, and here I am with my browser open. And to get to our websites for this course, the full URL or web address to get to your website is going to be sim.colum.edu/IAM for Interactive Arts and Media, /WD for Web Design, and then / your last name, not mine, your last name. And hit return. And there is my wonderful website that I just created and uploaded from Dreamweaver. And so hopefully you've got your site up and running. If you don't see your website there, go back and check that you had selected the entire folder, the root folder at the top of the file panel, and that you click on the up arrow and that you get the message that says upload entire site. And go through that process again to make sure that all the files are uploaded. If you get just text without the color background or your styled banner, it means that you probably uploaded the HTML file without the CSS file, and so the styles aren't showing. And so just make sure that you've got all of your files uploaded to the server, and that's how to get your site up and running. And so in the next tutorial, for next week's lesson, we're going to start to look at text replacement, replacing our text with graphics, adding more graphic elements, adding galleries, and continuing to design our website and make it more and more exciting.